Look at this. Look. Come with me. There's no driver. This is fully autonomous ride-hailing app. It's called Waymo. I'm here in San Francisco. Let me show you how it works. There's three major technologies. Up here, you've got LiDAR, okay? And that can see up to 3 football fields away. Then you have cameras here with little wipers when they get dirty. And you have radars, LiDAR, radar, camera. It's a Jaguar I-Pace, fully electric, all right? Now, you ready? We're gonna unlock. Handles come out.
Hi, Supercar Blondie.
This is so cool. Are you ready to start? Start ride. Here we go.
Bernal Heights Park. Please make sure your seatbelt is fastened. For any questions,
Look at this.
press the call support button to speak with a rider support agent.
They have tested with no driver over 1 million miles. And in that time, they've only had 2 minor accidents, and Waymo has not been at fault. No injuries whatsoever. These guys are still like, wait, is that car driving on its own? So here it detects everything. These are people, the circles. Look, we're now at a stoplight, you see? Stopping for people. Wow. Okay, moving vehicles and stopped vehicles are in grey. Now we go to menu and you can play whatever you'd like music-wise, get your temperature. You set this, then the car will know every time you're picked up, this is your temperature. So I'm going to set it to this. Camera privacy. The cameras are on, but the mics are off, so no tech support can hear you. Total privacy in this car. Especially as a woman, I feel like so safe. I can not be driving with a stranger in the car. And it's fully electric. We're going sustainable. So a truck is blocking our way. So it's actually decided to go a different way. It's backing up now. Look. You can currently hail a Waymo car in Phoenix, Arizona, in San Francisco, where I am, but it's coming to Los Angeles and Austin, Texas. So you can download the app now, Waymo One, and it'll notify you when it's live in your city. And look, you can write here, this is how you're going to identify the car that picks you up. Mine is SB, and you can change the color on the roof. All right, it's going to find somewhere safe to park or pull up.
You're here. Please make sure it's clear before exiting.
There we go.
Vehicle approaching.
Vehicle approaching, you see? How does it even see that far? That's crazy.
After you exit, please close doors all the way. Thanks.